This 2022 Forest River Vengeance Rogue 25 volts is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 30 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, awning, leveling jacks, water heater, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, smoke detector, LP detector, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Vengeance Rogue 25 volts is 6,498 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.